Hello, today in class we are continuing to divide a decimal fraction by a decimal fraction. What algorithm do we employ to divide decimals? Let's write down an example. 0.42 hundredths. I am dividing by 0.6 tenths. It is crucial to keep in mind that division by a decimal is not possible. In order to convert the given number, the decimal point needs to be moved to turn it into an integer. In this situation, I am shifting the comma forward by 1 digit. This adjustment is necessary as there is only a single digit after the decimal point. Consequently, I am shifting the decimal point ahead by 1 digit. But if I've moved the decimal point by 1 digit in the divisor, if I move it in the dividend, I must also move it in the divisor as well. So what I'm getting is I need to divide 4.2½ by 6 in order to calculate its value. We are skilled at accomplishing that. Let's calculate 4.2 and divide it by 6, allowing us to find the result. I am unable to perform the division of 4 by 6. First, I consider only the whole part and conclude that the quotient is 0. Multiplying 0 by 6 results in 0. When I subtract 0 from 4, I am left with 4. Next, I need to consider the remaining digits, but our dot resides in the quotient between 4 and 2. Dividing 42 by 6 gives the result of 7, and multiplying 6 by 7 yields 42. The dot's placement within the quotient is crucial. 42 subtracted by 42 yields 0. The remainder is 0, so I've done the division. So 0.42 hundredths divided by 0.6 tenths, I've got 0.7. 0.7 tenths. Now, this is another example that we're going to look at. 56.7 tenths divided by 0.18. When dividing a decimal fraction, the algorithm requires us to first convert it into a whole number by moving the decimal point. We cannot directly divide by a decimal. Therefore, it is crucial to understand the value of each digit. This point, I have to move it 2 places to the right. But if I move in this number by 2 positions, then I have to move it in this case as well, that is 2 positions once. And I don't have any sign that I can emphasize. What should I do in this case? The thing is that I can add 0 and then I get the following number. 5,670 divided by 18, I perform division by column 5,670. I'm dividing by 18. I have a whole number. So while I'm dividing this whole number, and so 56 I divide by 18, take 3 multiply by 18. That would be 54. 56 minus 54. The result is 2. Let's put the 7 down. There are no obstacles, no dots. 27 I divide by 18, taking 1 at a time. 1 times 18 is 18. 27 minus 18 equals 9. I still have a 0 available, so I subtract 9 from 98. The result is 89. I then multiply this by 3, resulting in 267. However, multiplying 89 by 3 will give us 267. The total sum is 0. Therefore, our division is complete. So I write down the answer is 315. Today, we covered the topic of dividing decimal fractions by other decimal fractions. In our next lesson, we will further explore the concept of dividing decimals. That wraps up today's lesson. Farewell, and until we meet again.